What is up, party people? Welcome to Springfield, Ohio. Here in Springfield, you can check out the Frank Lloyd Wright Westcott House. There are several antiquing centers, some great hiking, and of course, Ray and Travis. Their hometown is just 45 minutes away from here. And today is Travis's 31st birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Travis is our brilliant stage manager, who you have seen on this vlog before. And Ray is our fierce, dope assistant stage manager. They're both pretty great. Here in Springfield, we played the Cuss Auditorium at the Clark State Performing Arts Center. Built in 1993, this gorgeous 86,000 square foot building houses multiple facilities, including the Turner Studio Theater, which seats about 200, and the Cuss Auditorium, which seats 1,500.
Tonight, ladies and gentlemen, the role of Franz will be played by Kyle Germansek.
We're here for one night only and loving every minute of it. Thanks for coming out, chase your dreams, and cheers.